Good morning, dear students. Today we can start the new topic. The topic is surface areas and volumes. Surface area. Wait 1 minute. Okay. Surface areas and volumes. So surface areas and volumes. So how we have to go for surface areas and volumes and what we have to do here. So let us check it out. So before going to that, so area means the region occupied, volume means the space occupied. Actually this is a two-dimensional one, this is a three-dimensional thing. Already we have discussed about the surface areas and volumes of some solids. So here we are going to discuss about solids. Actually what type of solids is, so here in general we have cube, cuboid, next going to be cylinder, next cone, next sphere and hemisphere. So these are the basic types of the solids we are going to discuss in we have discussed already in the 9th standard, and same going to discuss in the 10th also. That means same in the sense how we are going to discuss them, how the what is the change between the 9th standard to 10th standard. So here so what is the major difference is, so here we are going to discuss about the combination of solids. That means, so here combination of these figures. So first this is the cube, so all sides are, all faces are equal, and this will be the cuboid, and this will be the cylinder, and this will be the cone, and next one will be the sphere. So sphere will be something like this, sphere, and next one will be the hemisphere. Actually this is the hemisphere, this is the diameter. So these are the different types of the solid. So if one solid is combined with other solid, how we are going to discuss about their area, how we are going to discuss their volume, so what is going to be disturbed. See, what is need to discuss about that. For example, if these two figures are added, so in a way, otherwise, so I will take one example here. So this is a sphere, and so one cone is added, something like this. You have to imagine. So if you want to go, if you want to get the total surface area of this, so this is closed. If you want to get the total surface area of this, so we can't write total surface area of this one plus total surface area of this one. Why? See, here this area is covered already. Why? This is closed. It was kept on this one, So this cylinder and cone will be combined with some face here. That means that face is closed. We could not see this one. This will be disappeared. That is the reason. So we will make use of our brain here. How we have to make use? So this is curved surface area of the, even curved surface, first this will be appeared. So for example, how we have to imagine while doing this curved surface area problems is, we need to imagine that if you want to paint this one, how we can paint, it is combined. So the figure will be like this. So how we are going to paint the curved, first we have to paint curved surface area of the cylinder plus this bottom area plus curved surface area of the cone. So in general we know that curved surface is 2 pi r h, and bottom is a circle, bottom is a pi r square, and curved surface area of this cone is pi r l. So I will discuss one by one all the formulas. After that I will enter into the topic. So step by step formulas I can write. So first cube, otherwise see, cube different, cuboid different. Cube means all faces are equal. Here opposite faces only equal. Of course, here also opposite faces are equal, but all faces are equal to one another. Here it is not like this. So now I'll discuss all the formulas.